you know, when me and Mark kind of ganged up on Kellen. We were bugging him I was bugging him for several years. I had wanted to do a holiday album for a long time and he kept shutting me down.
So they trapped me.
But then I got Mark on my
They
side.
cornered me. I had nowhere to go.
And me and Mark I secretly conspired with Mark and I was like, Mark, you like doing a holiday album too? Okay, you and me. We're gonna tell Kellen he has no choice. He has no choice, you gotta do it now. You gotta do it. So we kind of ganged up on him. So Kellen's one condition, he says, okay, we will do a holiday album. But the one condition I have is we have to write a bunch of original songs. We cannot do the same Christmas songs that everybody sings. You know why? Because everybody has their favorite versions of these classic Christmas songs. And he goes, like, we don't wanna infringe on that. We don't wanna impose ourselves on those wonderful memories that people have. So we gotta write a bunch of new songs. So that song we just played, Ohohia, was one of them. But we wanted to include some songs that people were familiar with. So he said, okay, if you wanna include those, we gotta do it where it's a new spin on it. So this is one of those songs. It's a treasured Christmas classic, and this is a song called Away in a Manger. But to our knowledge, nobody has recorded the English and the Hawaiian translation together. So the translation was done several years ago, several decades ago, by one of Hawaii's foremost Hawaiian language scholars, Mary Kovena Pukui. And we have done it on our album, and Mark will perform it with you folks today together, Hawaiian and English. So for your enjoyment, Away in a Manger.
Everything's still nervous.
Lay down his sweet head. The stars in the sky look down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. Que kama iki e hia moe nana mai mai una mai ya Yesu kahaku e moe na iana. The poor baby makes, but little Lord Jesus, no crying he makes. I love you, Lord Jesus, look down from the sky and stay by my cradle till morning is nigh. Que kama iki a ole ue no ku amo e
you very much.